everyone, and welcome to the video tutorial series. This is gonna be a complete deep dive in DynamoDB with Python Boto 3. What you are about to learn in this course is basically, first of all, I would be telling you about introduction. Why do we want to learn about DynamoDB? Once we learn about that, we'll basically talk about SQL and NoSQL. After that, in the second module, I'm going to be talking about supported data types. What are the data types you can store in DynamoDB? I'm going to talk about the queries that you can use in the DynamoDBs. Once we've done that, the third module is going to be on scaling in DynamoDB. So we'll look into provisional capacity and on-demand capacity, which means how you can set up your WCUs and RCUs, that is read. So we learn all about that. After that, we are going to learn about keys. In the keys, we'll cover two topics, that is simple keys and composite keys. So we'll learn about all of that. Once we learn about keys, we'll learn why we should not use scan queries because it's more expensive usually. Then we'll learn in the part 5, basically we'll learn about internals. So we'll learn about strong consistencies and eventual consistencies. So we'll learn about all of that in part 4, that is about internals. Once we cover that, in the part 6, I'm going to talk about indexes, how you can set up GSI and LSI, that is global secondary index and local secondary index. So we'll learn about all of that and how you can query the data. We'll actually also write Python codes. I'll walk you through all of that. It's going to be a fun, interesting course. So I'm excited to teach you about everything about DynamoDB that I know. So join me in the course in learning DynamoDB with Python Boto 3. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the upcoming next video.